How to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram shop easily. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify shop with your Facebook or Instagram account. So let's get into the video. So when you're on to Shopify and you have a shop and you are also doing a business on Facebook or Instagram, and you want to basically link your shops together so that you don't have to go on and get a catalog, add a catalog on Shopify, and then go on to the Facebook or Instagram and add it on that. So to save you from all of the hassle, you can sync and you can connect both of these shops, both of these business centers of yours, and you can basically run them simultaneously. You can add one thing on one and you can just simply sync it with the other platform. So it is very easy to connect a Shopify with Facebook and Instagram, and there are actually two ways that you can do that. First of all, the way that I'm going to show you is through the Facebook and through the Meta Business Suite Center. So I'm just going to go onto my Facebook really quickly. Here you can see that this is my Facebook page. This is basically business page of my Facebook. Okay, so here you can see that this is the Facebook page. So the Facebook and Instagram both are hosted on the Meta site, which is the collective of which holds each one, all of them. So we are going on to the Meta Business Suite from this option right here, and it basically connects the whole Facebook shop and your Instagram shop at one place. It is the business suite for both of them. So I'm just going to click on that, and it will connect when your business suite is connected to Shopify. Your Facebook and Instagram automatically are connected to your Shopify store. You don't have to go on and separately connect both of them to your Shopify. So we are on to the Meta Business Suite right now. This is a business page. Okay, so to connect your your Instagram or your Facebook or your Meta with your Shopify, you must have a business account, otherwise you won't be able to connect that. So after coming here you can see that there's an option of all tools. Just click on that. Okay, so here you can see that after coming on to all tools, you have inbox, planner, settings, view page, ads, reporting, and sell products and services. So this is what you want to come on. Here you have your appointments, your commerce, your monetization, orders, and services. What you want to do is you have to click on this commerce. It is going to take you to the commerce, like business.facebook.com, which is the commerce page of that. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes, like that load. Okay, so here you can see that this is the commerce manager page, and it says sell on Facebook, Instagram, or both. I'm just going to get started. Here you can see that you can create a shop or you can create a catalog. For connecting your Shopify, you need to create a catalog. Get started. Okay, so after coming here, you have to confirm which type of catalog you are adding. I'm just going to add an e-commerce catalog. You want to sell online products or local products, it is up to you. I'm just going to get it on online products. Click on next. Okay, so now you have to upload your your details of the product. Okay, so after coming here, you can see that you can upload a product information, you can add a run ads, you can catalog name, and here you have an option of connect a partner platform. Click on that, and after coming here, you can select the partner platform that you want to connect. I'm going to connect Shopify, and you can see go to your partner platform to complete your catalog setup. Go to Shopify. So it is automatically going to open the Shopify account that you are currently using. It is going to open your Shopify, and here you can see that you can just simply go on and log in. Okay, so this is my store right now that is being hosted on the website that I was using as my Shopify. I'm going to click on that store. Okay, so your Shopify has been opened. Now you can connect your sales channel of your Facebook Meta Suite, and you can just go on and connect it. It has been connected with Shopify, and you can basically sync your product. So there's another way that you can do that as well. From in that way you can simply do that from your Shopify. You don't have to go onto your Facebook and after you log in onto your Facebook. So I'm just going onto my store on Shopify. I'm going to click on add apps. In here you're going to search for some apps. You're basically first of all going onto the Shopify app store. Open the Shopify app store, and in here search for Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so here you can see that you have got a couple of items. You have Instagram shop and Facebook shop, you have fresh marketer, etc. So this is the one that I want you to find, which is Facebook and Instagram. It is free to install. It is going to bring your products to people on Facebook and Instagram, and it has 3.2 star rating. So you just click on that, and it is going to open up, and it will ask you that you want to add this into your shop or not. So I'm just going to click on add app. Okay, so I'm just going to add it into the sales channel. Okay, so now you can see that it says start selling on Facebook and Instagram. One shop, more ways to get discovered, offer a seamless checkout experience, join a vibrant community of merchants and creators. So you can just click on this option, start setup, or you can advertise your products on Facebook by clicking on this option, which is going to let you create ad campaigns to get your products in front of millions of people. So I'm just going to click on start setup. And now, first of all, you have to connect your Facebook account. Shopify uses your personal Facebook account to access your business accounts. So I'm just going to connect my Facebook from this option. Continue, confirm account, allow. Okay, so you have got your business assets of the account that was linked to Facebook. So I have two business assets right now. So which one do I want to connect? I'm just going to click on this one because I'm just going to connect this beauty tools with my Facebook and Instagram on Shopify. And if you want to connect your business account, your Facebook page you select is not connected to a Meta business account yet. Select an existing business account or create a new account. So to create to add basically connect your Facebook and Shopify, you have to get a Meta business account on Facebook. And right now both of these pages are not this kind of, they don't have a Meta business account. So I'm just going to try and click on this one, but it doesn't say that I can connect it with that. So after I'm going to create a new account, a Meta business account, I can go on and do the data sharing. Then there's some terms and conditions, and I will be able to submit it for a review. After it has been reviewed, it will connect my Facebook account, my Meta business account basically will my Shopify with my Shopify store. As I've told you before, they both are being hosted on Meta, so that's why the Instagram will and Facebook both will be connected to my Shopify. And whenever I want to import my inventory and want to import my products or run ad campaigns of the products that I'm selling on Shopify, I can just go on and I can directly add it onto my Facebook or my Instagram. So it makes everything very easy, and the setup is also very easy if you have everything that you need. And after the completion of it, you'll be able to connect both of them, and it will make everything very easy for you, because for every product, marketing is very, very necessary, because it has become a requirement these days that everyone is using Facebook, everyone is using social media. So if you want to sell your products, you need to get them online, and you need to make people see that but through social media, because it is a very, very active and very, very cheap and very attractive tool when it comes to marketing. So you have to market correctly on Facebook, on Instagram of your all the products that you're selling on Shopify. Then they are going to sell. Otherwise, you will not be able to gain as much traffic as your products are worth. So there are other solutions for when you want to connect your Instagram and Facebook with your Shopify as well. For that, you need to go into the apps. You need to go into the apps and sales channel settings, and you need to search for Instagram and Facebook. So there was a first app that we installed, which was this one, but there are other apps available as well. Let me show you. Search for Facebook and Instagram once again. Okay, so this is the one that we have already incorporated. So this is the Instagram shop and Facebook shop. So this is also a really good app that you can install. Here you can see that it has 4.9 star setting, and it also has a free plan available. So just open this app, and here you can see that what you can do is bring your products in front of your Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram followers. Facebook shop and Instagram shop app is to help audience growth and get more sales by adding a call to action to your social posts, etc. So this app was launched in July 2022. It is a good app and it has a good rating. So what you can do is you can just go on, click on this add app, and it will be added into Shopify store, and then you can use it to connect your Instagram shop and your Facebook shop to your Shopify store, and your products will be easily managed. You can basically switch your products from your Shopify directly into your Instagram and Facebook for marketing, because social media is very, very good for marketing these days. Other than social media marketing, your business is going to be blind. So you have to turn the marketing thing on by adding your products onto your Facebook, onto your Instagram. Instagram is the main marketing lead these days, so you can use that for your own good. And after adding your products there, after connecting the store, it is going to be very easy to manage both of these things. So just go on and connect that. Use any app that you want, use any app that feels like you can work with. You can use it the way that I have showed you, or you can also go on and choose any other app if you want to, but you need to connect your shops together so that it is more efficient and it is more favorable for you. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel by pressing on the bell icon that might be on the bottom of this video. Press that bell icon and turn on my notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.